channel. If this is your first time of clicking on my video to watch, you're highly welcome. If you're an old subscriber, have fun now. Have you been? Hope you've been learning a lot of things, you know. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about how to ventilate with a non-pierceable mannequin head. Okay, I know there is this particular one in the market. I think this is for 2025. It's not pierceable. Okay, you can even use this particular method on a basket mannequin. You can use this method on a basket mannequin as well. So this particular method can be used on a basket mannequin as well, not just this type. There are other types. So this is so you can as well use this type of your mannequin if you have it, and maybe you don't want to spend extra money buying the pierceable one. That's talking about, you can see the one we have over there. That's a canvas head or a dummy head or the styrofoam. You just want to work with what you have. And I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use this to ventilate. Okay, so now what you need for this video are, you will need a tape, of course, very, very important, the scissors, your lace, and your ventilating needle. That is all you need. You don't need a pin, because a pin cannot work here. It cannot pierce. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This head right here is not pierceable. Can you see what I'm talking about? It's not pierceable. I wouldn't want to go ahead so I don't spoil it. It's not pierceable. So what you have to do is to place your net on the mannequin head. Okay, you have to work with the head like this, or if you want to use a tape, you can go ahead and tape. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you want, you can apply your tape. That's for a background color. This method does not stop you from trying out all this. Okay, go ahead and apply your tape just for a background color, for a suitable background color while ventilating. So I'm just not going to, you can do it all over the mannequin if you choose to. I have a full tutorial on how to, you know, prepare your mannequin head for ventilating. So if you like to learn that, you go ahead and watch. Smoothing it down. Okay, so now all you have to do is to just place your net on top of it. Then you definitely have to buy this, even if it's the 150 naira type, you must buy it. Then you tape down the area you want to ventilate. You use the taping method here because, of course, you know you cannot make use of the pin to pin it down. So you tape down the area you want to you're working with. Okay, cut a smaller section. Just tape down the area you want to work with, or you're working on anyone. Tape it down properly so it doesn't move at all. Okay, I'm still cutting more of this. You can as well tape down this area. This is just to hold it in place so you can ventilate. And yes, you can also use this type of tape if you choose to. Although the other type holds it better, so you can use this. Okay, and just tear it out like that, and then hold it, and then you place it. Okay, this one is actually coming out. I didn't tape it down properly. Let's go ahead and fix it. So I moved it a little bit forward. Okay, just go ahead and fix that. So this one depends on the area you're working on. That's the area you should tape down. Now you see, you have something to work with. So next is to get your hair for ventilating. So now I would zoom closer so you guys can see. So let's try it out, right? I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, let me see if I can add more light to this too. Assuming you're ventilating this area. So this method, you can actually also use it on, make sure you, what's it called? You can use it on a basket mannequin. Okay, but for the basket mannequin, you have to cover it with a nylon first to create an even, you know, surface for you to work with. You see now I'm ventilating, right? So now depend on the area you want to work with, and yes, you can still reuse the tape. You can still use it for another area as long as the stickiness is still there. You can still move your tape to another side, assuming you're done with this side and you want to ventilate another area. You can still move your tape, but once the stickiness of the mannequin of the tape reduces, once it reduces, then you have to apply another tape generally. So you can place it, you can place as many tape as you want to, just to secure it. Place here, place on that one here, place on that one here. You know, just use enough tape if you choose to, so it doesn't move while you're ventilating. So this is just a quick tip for you guys. If you can afford a canvas head, a dummy head, go ahead and get one. But if you don't, and you still want to ventilate, let this know, because I feel the tape is very, very affordable. I think it's about, you can get the one of 150, that's 200. I think there's one of 150 stuff. The paper type is also quite affordable. You can get any tape you want. Just ensure you tape it down properly, okay? Ensure you tape it down properly. So you can go around the perimeters of the lace to just hold it down, and then you ventilate. So I hope this tip was helpful. This is not the best way actually, but I'm just giving you a tip to use what you have. That's if you cannot, or maybe you're not ready to buy a dummy head or something, you can still make use of what you have, and you have something like this one, you can go ahead and use it, okay? So I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.